Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to check your spam and junk folder in Gmail if you're looking for missing messages. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do on the left menu underneath Compose, just go down this list and select the More button. There should be a spam folder as well as trash. Go ahead and select whichever one you want to look at here. So you want to start with the spam folder. You just can left click on that and then open up the folder in here to see if there was any items in here that would be marked as spam. If you want to delete it forever, you can select the delete forever button up here at the top, or you can select not spam, which will have it go right back to the inbox, so you wouldn't have it in spam anymore. You can also go about marking it as unread, as well as the traditional options here of snoozing it or categorizing it under one of the label options. So pretty straightforward. Generally, the only two options you're probably going to really care about here is either deleting it forever or marking it not as spam. And then if you want underneath trash, any items in here, and you can just go ahead and select the little move to button up here at the top, and you can select inbox, and that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.